welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, I am Lokita GS. My USN is 1VE22CA030. I am from the Department of Artificial Intelligence. Today's subject about which I am going to present you a video is Java and its data types. The subject code of Java and its data types is BCS 306A. Today's topic in which I'm going to cover Java and data types is overloading methods. Firstly, introduction to overloading methods. Here we are going to learn what is overloading methods are. Overloading methods allows us to define multi-method with the same name but different parameters. It provides flexibility and convenience in programming. Overloading is determined by the number, type, and order of the parameters. Overloading methods. In Java, it is possible to define two or more methods within the same class that share the same name as long as their parameters declaration are different. Then is a case the method are said to be overloaded and the process is referred to as the method overloading. Method overloading is one of the way that Java implements polymorphism. When a overloaded method is invoked, Java uses the type or number of an argument as it is guided to determine which version of the overloaded method to actual call. Overloaded methods must differ in the type or number of their parameters. While overloaded methods may be different return types, the return type alone is insufficient to design between two versions of the method. When Java encounters a call to an overload method, it simply executes the version of the method whose parameters match the arguments used in the call. Benefits of using overloading method: improves code reliability and reduces complexity, saves time and effort by reusing method names, enhances code maintainability and scalability. Rules for overloading methods. Methods must have a same name but different parameters. Parameters can differ in number, type, or order. Return type alone is not sufficient to overload a method. Overloading methods in different number of parameters allows us to create methods with varying number of arguments. Useful when the number of parameters required may vary. Method overloading based on the number of parameters is called static polymorphism. This is an example of a program where first one is an example where the method overloading is not used. It is an example of method overloading used. The variables declared inside the string inside an int node is always same. But here add 2, add 3, add 4 is declared. Here same add is declared but the variables inside it and the function is different. Overloading methods in different types of parameters enables us to have a methods with the same name but different parameter types. Useful when we want to perform similar operations on different data types. Methods overloading based on the type of parameter is also known as compile time polymorphism. Polymorphism in Java programming. Types of polymorphism. Compile their polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism. Overloading methods with different order of parameters allows us to define methods with the same name but different parameter order. Useful when the order of parameter can affect the functionality. The compiler determines the appropriate method based on the argument types. Constructors can also be overloaded. This means that a class can have more than one constructor. For example, we might want to give programmers the opportunity to set the values of a rectangle object when it is created, or not set the values of rectangle values when it is created and give it a predefined values. Method overloading versus method overriding. Method overloading is resolved at the compile time based on method signatures. Method overriding is resolved at the runtime based on the actual object type. Method overloading is used for starting polymorphism, while method overriding is used for dynamic polymorphism. Best practices for overloading methods: use meaningfully and descriptively method names. Maintain consistency in parameter naming and ordering. Avoid overloading method exclusively to prevent confusion. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch the video completely and please do like, share and subscribe as it contains marks to me.